This is the new jig from H Valley Tools. It has all these little slides with a ruler that is marked in inches, centimeters, as well as a depth guide that goes up and down to account for the different rails and styles, widths that you have, as well as a carrying case so that all the pieces are together with the basic instructions. So I'll just go through how to put the tool together, and then we'll show how it's used. So the ruler itself, you have centimeters on one side, inches on the other. Same thing with the depth stop, inches on one side, and millimeters, centimeters on the other. So, first stop, we're going to put this slide through here. And you can kind of just temporarily tighten that down. Choose which side of the ruler you want to use, slide that in. And almost always, for most applications anyway, the ruler has a 0 in the middle, and then they count incrementally on each side. It is important to put these slides on all the time as well, because that's going to give you a flat reference area to drill on, so that this doesn't rock back and forth on the surface. There we go. And then there's a third one here. This one has this little tab here, and that's going to be used as a stop for the edge of the wood, edge of the cabinet, drawer face, whatever it might be. So you may or may not need that. It's up to your situation.